Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the 5G not working issue on your phone. So here you can see this is the 4G option is now activated. You can see, right? You can see. So let me show you how to fix 5G not working issue on this device. So simply go to settings. So in this video, I will show you two methods. Simply go to settings and tap on the option general. Scroll to bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. So from these reset options, you have to select the second option, reset network settings. Tap on this one. Enter your screen passcode. Now you can see a pop-up box. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So confirm this with the reset network settings. Now you can see your device is turning off. After this one, you can easily restart your device. Actually, this reset is safe. This will not delete any of your personal information. This will only reset your network settings. Yeah, now you can see the device is restarted. You can see it is still 4G. If you are facing same issue again, then just go to the method 2. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option mobile service. First of all, turn on the option mobile data. Tap on mobile data options. Tap on voice and data. So from here you have to select 5G auto or 5G on. So here you can see what is 5G auto and 5G on. 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So simply in this way we can fix the issue 5G not working on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.